One hack to help you boost your selling on Depop. Hi guys, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips.com, helping serious entrepreneurs like you to boost sales to your products and services online using simple but super effective online marketing tips and tricks. If you are a serious entrepreneur, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification button as well, so you never miss a tip that could help you to boost sales to your products and services online. And if you're new here, make sure you introduce yourself by leaving a comment in the comment section. So in this video, I'm speaking about an online selling app called Depop. Now, Depop is a great app if you have some sort of stylistic clothing that you want to sell or you want to buy. Now, obviously, this channel is all about marketing your products and services online. So I'm kind of tailoring this video from the perspective of a merchant, so someone who's actually selling products on Depop, and some of the things you can do to kind of sell most effectively using Depop. So I want to start with a basic tutorial. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below where you can download the app that I'm talking about in this video, and the setup process is quite simple. All you need to do is follow these simple instructions when setting up, and you will need a PayPal account as well, but it kind of takes you through the process of connecting your PayPal account to Depop really quickly and easily. So as long as you go through those steps, then you should be absolutely fine. But once you actually get set up with a Depop account, you're going to want to start your first listing. And in order to do that, you can click that camera button in the middle at the bottom down there. And then obviously you can start listing your pictures. So when you select the picture tab, it gives you an option to literally use your camera. So you can use your camera and take a photo of your item right there and then, or you can choose an item from your gallery on your phone. Now, one thing to really note about Depop is the pictures are really picturesque. You know, it's really stylistic. Those are the pictures that people put onto Depop, and those are the kind of pictures that you're going to want to take when taking pictures of your item to post on Depop. So that's one thing you really need to keep in mind. And I'm going to show you how some of these pictures and images on Depop look, so you can have a kind of an idea and a feel for the type of pictures you want to take of your items before listing them. Also, if you look at the description, this is really important because you have up to 1,000 characters here, and you're going to want to really use your keywords that people are likely to use in Depop to find your item, to find your listing. So think about what words, what phrases are people going to search for to find wherever it is that you're selling? Is it a color? Is it a size? What's the name of your item? What buzzwords? So obviously you're going to want to write an in-depth description so the people who do find you know enough about the item to actually want to make a purchase, but also you want to include your keywords as well so that people can stumble across and find your item. Also, make sure you really think carefully about your category. So people can search Depop via category as well. So you're going to want to make sure that you choose the right category for your item for best discovery and so that people can actually find you. You can also select your location. Now, I recommend you do this because people who are looking for local sellers, maybe they want their item to come super fast, then they can actually identify how close you are, and they might select your item over some of your competitors simply because you're closer in terms of region. So you're going to want to select a shipping cost as well. So however much it's going to cost you to ship your item domestically, then you're going to want to select that. If it's 0, then you can select 0 if you're wanting to do free postage and packaging. But you can also, if you want, select international shipping and ship more or less worldwide. And you're going to want to enter in your price for that as well. So if someone is buying from you internationally and you know it's going to cost a little bit more to ship to them, then you want that reflected in your shipping cost. So another thing is your price. You're going to want to make sure that your price competitive. So I highly recommend before listing your products on Depop that you have a look on Depop itself and see who is selling similar items to yours. what are their price ranges? Are you underpriced? Maybe you're a little bit underpriced and you could be actually making more money with the same product if you priced it better. Or maybe you're a little bit overpriced and you might find it difficult to generate sales because people are finding more or less what you're selling but at a cheaper cost. So you're going to want to do some research with that regard. But I want to show you a super easy and simple hack that you could utilize to really make more sales. Obviously, Depop is a great place to go. Maybe if you're selling on Amazon or eBay already or on another marketplace, but you're maybe wanting to expand or put your products in as many places as possible to give you the best possible chance to make sales, then Depop might be a great place for you. Or maybe you just have, extra clothes around the place and you wanted to get rid of them and make extra money doing so, then Depop can be a great place. But if you are a merchant and you're looking to actually turn Depop into a business or into a regular income stream, then you can use this hack. So essentially what you want to do is you're going to want to explore and choose an item. So I can choose slippers, for example. And firstly, I want to kind of draw to your attention how stylistic these listings all look. All of these pictures are really stylish. You can see they're well presented, and you're going to want to do a similar thing when you're putting your pictures together and listing them on Depop. So let's say I choose a listing. One thing that is really useful is this sold reviews icon here that you can click on, and you can literally see what items are getting the best reviews and also what items are selling. So some sellers actually relist their items, so they might have 4 or 5 units in stock, and once one is sold they relist it. And in this sold reviews here, you might see duplicate items, so an item that you can tell has been sold more than once and has more than one review. And if you notice that an item has been reviewed 4 or 5 times or maybe even more, then that's a really good indicator that that particular item is very popular on Depop. And you're going to want to look for items like that, smell what is selling on Depop, see people's sold reviews, and see if there's any trends in terms of an item that's been reviewed more than once, like 3, 4, maybe even more times, and see what the reviews are saying as well, seeing if there are positive reviews. And if they are, then that's possibly a profitable product that you may want to consider stocking or maybe buying in wholesale and listing them on Depop. So that's a great way to kind of smell what sells and maybe invest if you want to look for further opportunities on the platform. Now, I will be doing more tips and tutorials on apps that you can utilize to help you selling your products online. So if you want more information about that, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification button as well. I also speak a lot about how you can promote your products online most effectively to help you generate more leads and sales. So, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you really want to boost sales to your products online, and this is the channel to help you do so. I also have a free guide called The Formula, so if you are a really serious entrepreneur, then make sure you download it. It's completely free. A copy of it is behind me. I'll also leave a copy of it in the description down below as well, and somewhere on this screen, so make sure you go and grab your free copy. But I really hope this video helped you out, and if it did, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day, download The Formula, and I will see you soon.